Hello, my senior KG kids. Good morning. I hope you all have revised learning the three different signs that we had learned in numeracy yesterday. Do you all remember which signs are those? Yes, greater than, less than, and equal to sign. Children, yesterday we had learned these signs by using different objects. Do you all remember? Yes. So today we will revise these signs once again with the help of different numbers, which means when numbers are given, how to use these signs.
ग्रेटर देन साइन का मतलब है जब एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर से बड़ा होता है। जब हम दो नंबर कंपेयर करते हैं तो जो नंबर बड़ा होता है उसके सामने हम ग्रेटर देन साइन लगाते हैं। 33 एंड 26। तो बच्चों इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? नंबर 33। तो क्रोकोडाइल का मुंह कहाँ खुलेगा? नंबर 33 के सामने क्रोकोडाइल का मुंह खुलेगा। And we shall read this as 33 is greater than 26. Next, 60 and 53. Which number is bigger? 60. Yes, so the crocodile will open his mouth in front of number 60. And we shall read this as 60 is greater than 53. Less than. Less than sign means when one number is smaller than the other, then we use a less than sign. When two numbers are compared, in front of the greater number, we use less than sign. 10 and 15. So kids, which number is bigger? Number 15. So crocodile will open his mouth in front of the bigger number and we will read this as 10 is less than 15. Next, 25 and 46. Out of this, which number is bigger? 46. So the crocodile mouth will open in front of number 46 and we shall read this as 25 is less than 46. Equal to. Equal to sign means when one number is same to the other number or equal to the other number, we use equal to sign. Here we have number 28 and 28 on both the sides. So the crocodile will open his mouth on both the sides and we shall read this as 28 equal to 28. Next, 55 and 55. Again both numbers are equal, right? So we will be putting a equal to sign and we shall read this as 55 equal to 55.
So kids, when the crocodile opens his mouth towards its right, it is called greater than sign. When he opens his mouth towards its left, it is called less than sign. And when he opens his mouth both the sides, what it is called? Equal to. Right? So children, now let's do some exercise in our classwork book.
Kids, open page number 95 in your classwork book. It says greater than, lesser than and equal to. Here numbers are given 1 and 10. So out of these, which number is bigger? 10. So the crocodile will open his mouth towards number 10 like this. Next, 31, 22. Which number is higher? 31. So we'll put a greater than sign here and read it as 31 greater than 22. Next, 33, 12. Here again 33 is higher, right? Yes. Next, 57, 57. Both are equal. So we'll put a equal to sign. Again, we have 3 and 52. So, which is higher? 52. So, we'll put a less than sign here, right? Next, 60 and 9. So, here 60 is bigger. So, we'll put a greater than sign in front of 60. Next, 28, 21. Which is higher? 28. Yes, very good. Next, 66 and 55. So here again 66 is bigger. So crocodile will open his mouth in front of 66. 5 and 5. So it is equal to sign. Crocodile will open both the sides. Next is 63 and 14. So again greater than sign. Next we have 60 and 17. So here again greater than sign. 36 and 19. Again greater than sign. Let's read them.
1 is less than 10. 31 greater than 22. 33 greater than 12. 57 equal to 57. 3 less than 52. 60 greater than 9. 28 greater than 21. 66 greater than 55. 5 equal to 5. 63 greater than 14. 60 greater than 17. And 36 greater than 19.
Let's do one more page now. Open page number 96 with the same concept, 33 and 23. So, we'll put a greater than sign. Next, 26, 34. Now, here is less than sign. Again, 28, 28 with sign equal to. Next, 26, 6. Here which sign we'll put? Less than? No. We'll put greater than sign because 26 is greater than 6. Next, 39, 48. Here we'll put less than sign. Next, 45, 15. Here we are going to put greater than sign. Yes. Next, 2, 16. Which sign? Less than. Very good, my kids. Next, 18, 27. Once again, we'll put here less than sign. Next, 48, 57. Once again, less than sign. Next, we have 51, 31. Here we are going to put greater than sign. 4, 9. Here we'll put less than sign. And last 49, 69. Here once again less than sign. So let's read it.
33 greater than 23. 26 less than 34. 28 equal to 28. 26 greater than 6. 39 less than 48. 45 greater than 15. 2 less than 16. 18 less than 27. 48 less than 57. 51 greater than 31. 4 less than 9. And 49 less than 69.
So kids, in the same way, you all have to complete page number 95 and 96 in your classwork book.
Children, keep practicing these three signs by using different objects and numbers. And don't forget the hungry crocodile, which is the best way to remember these signs. And do complete the exercise that we have done in our classwork book. And for homework, complete
page number 58, which says greater than, less than, and equal to. So kids, the way we did the classwork, you all have to do this for homework and put appropriate sign, which is given in your maths homework book.
Kids, I shall see you soon with another topic. Till then, keep watching the videos and keep practicing the work given. Take care. Bye-bye.